Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I have big coffee this morning. I hope you got your coffee too. So I woke up this morning and it's cold again, and it started raining yesterday and Friday. We've had thunderstorms all weekend. It's been lovely. But here's to a better week. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about a couple of things that occurred over the weekend and what this week is going to look like. So I released my Crafty Kids kit this weekend, and I appreciate all the positive comments and stuff I received about it. But I just wanted to let you know I'm only going to leave them on YouTube for a few more days, and then I'm going to put them in my Etsy shop. But I wanted to talk to you about the price on them. First of all, I went through a supplier to get a lot of the things to put together the kits. And what we have previously discussed was not really done price-wise, and it's because I didn't order tons of them. And so I'm not going to be using the supplier anymore, and I've worked really hard this weekend to figure out how to get the cost down for the summer's kit. But you do get, if you saw the video, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, at least 3 projects and a little one to do. So I'm hoping that my summer kit will be a little less expensive. But for right now, $30 is the best I can do because of shipping. And I have to cover the cost of the stuff. So, and I really want to be able to donate to the National Suicide Prevention Center for Children. And so that is what my kits are for. And so if you have any questions, please just let me know. I will answer them. And yeah, so that's all I want to say about that. If you hadn't seen the video, please go take a look at it. And then I'll link it below in the description box. Also, my giveaway is still going on, and I have received some donations already from some of my wonderful YouTube friends for the $100 drawing. And so anyway, I'm going to the mailbox today to check for postcards. But I will have a video out shortly to do an update, to tell about the prizes and all that. So that will be coming up in a little bit. And let's see what's on for the rest of the week. So I did not get a whole lot done this week, but I am going to try my very best to get things out. Tomorrow I have a small Dollar Tree haul, and I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. It's the one that I put off last week to get my challenge up. So I do have a Dollar Tree haul and a Dollar Tree DIY for you. On Wednesday, of course, we have our color combo challenge that was started by Gareth and myself. Gareth Frewer, who has, created Home of G, and myself. And now we've been joined by Miss Angie and Andrew Burkholder and by Miss Crystal Cleveland. And so that will be out on Wednesday. It's going to be the first Wednesday of every month now. And so don't forget that when we air the card, you can go over to Created Home with G Facebook page and share your creation with the same color combination and enter our monthly drawing for prizes. So we have prizes that will go out every month to the winner we draw. So keep an eye out for that. And then on Thursday, I have Thursday Night Live. I do not have I'm not sure if I have a card this week or not. It depends if I get something done this evening. But Thursday Night Live, I will have Thursday Night Live. And Thursday Night Live is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to have a Thursday Night Live yard sale. I am trying to go through stuff and trying to alleviate some stuff out of my house so that I can really get organized. I was about to tell the dogs hush, but they hushed. So anyway, things are going to be really, really, really inexpensive. A couple of things might be a little bit more expensive, things that I've created and stuff. But basically, I just want to get stuff out of the house. And this is another way that I'm going to be able to donate to our fundraiser. So I'm just going to get rid of stuff, and we'll probably do this once every couple of weeks or so until I get rid of all the stuff. So I can have some room to bring more stuff in. But yeah, so please mark your calendars for 7 p.m. on Thursday night so that you won't miss it, because you will love the deals that you are going to be able to get. And then on Friday, I have my keto living. Remember, I'm doing it every other week, and for right now anyway. And so Friday we will have keto living. And I am going to be recreating a recipe that was inspired by Jan Creason. If you've not ever been to her channel, I love her. She's just a wonderful person. But she has a lot of cooking videos. And she made something the other day that looked really, really, really good. But truly, we really can't have it on keto. So I asked her if she would mind if I recreated her recipe and ketofied it. And so I'm excited about that. And then on Sunday, of course, we'll have our 4th week of Metals in Love / Love is in the Air YouTube Hop. So this has been really fun, and I've been enjoying doing it. So I can't wait for this coming up Sunday. Can't tell you what I'm doing, so you'll have to come back and watch. So basically, that is the week for right now. Like I said, I didn't get a whole lot done this weekend for some things going on, but, I did the best that I could do. So, I think that's about it. I know it's a real short video today, but I've got to get some things done. I got to get my day started. One of my kiddos has already arrived, and so she's waiting on breakfast. Anyway, I hope you all have a great week, and like I said, I'll have a video out in a little while for an update on my giveaway. Don't forget about Tuesday for Dollar Tree haul and DIY. Wednesday have our color combo challenge, card challenge. Thursday night especially, is the online yard sale at 7 p.m. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, guys, have a beautiful, blessed week, and I will see you all back in a little while with an update to my challenge. And if you're just joining me for the first time and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that little subscribe button and then tapping the bell. Alright, have a great day. Bye.